What?
What's the difference between yours and mine?